Hello everyone, my name is John and I'm the science educator for Children's Museum Houston. And in celebration of our Protect Our Planet Wonder Week, sponsored by Reliant, we are actually outside at our eco station because we're going to be talking a little bit about these plants that are behind me, because even though I'm soaking up the solar radiation, they're really soaking up the solar radiation right now, and they're using it for photosynthesis. When we also have solar panels that absorb the sun's radiation to convert it to electricity for us to use. Now today we are going to start your garden just using a little toilet paper roll. For this activity, you'll need a toilet paper roll, some scissors, some soil, seeds, and then some water for the very end. And for the first step, you're going to make 4 cuts on your toilet paper roll. So make sure to have adult supervision while you do this step because you will be using scissors. So you'll make 4 cuts around your toilet paper roll, and then you'll kind of fold it like a box. So you'll fold each side in, around we go, and then now we have a little planter. Now one step you can do is you can add some tape. So this will help hold it shut while you're adding all your materials, but before you plant it, you'll take the tape off before you actually stick this in the ground. Because the toilet paper roll will actually decompose once it's planted. So now we're ready to add some soil. You can scoop some in. You can also just make a mess by pouring it out on the table. But make sure to do this outside if you are filling up your planter. So fill it up about maybe half or 2/3 of the way full, and then you'll add a seed. So I'm going to add a sunflower seed, push it into your soil, and then the final step would be to add a little bit of water. And now your little planter is ready to go. You can either keep it just out and in your little container, make sure to add just a little bit of water at a time or it will leak out the bottom, or you can actually plant this in the soil. Thank you for tuning in to our Protect Our Planet Wonder Week sponsored by Reliant. If you are following us on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button to check out all the new stuff we're coming out with every day. Again, my name is John, coming to you from Children's Museum Houston. Hope you have a great day.